Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a very detailed video and a case study regarding Google Merchant Center, which was suspended for a dropshipping website. So people who have questions like, does dropshipping work for GMC? Yes, it does work, and we have solved ample of cases so far. We have written of hundreds of cases in different industries, including misrepresentation, false statement, website needs improvement. Various industries, various companies have worked so far, and we have got a very brief portfolio for regarding restoration of Google Merchant Center account. And I'm here with a new case study regarding one of the suspended Merchant Center account. And now, because this is an interesting case study, why? Because the our client eventually became our friend. So which is why it also has a emotional relationship, sentimental attached as well to this case study. So the but let me start with the case study. In case if anyone needs help with the Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, suspension, management, restoration, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us to the link in the description. So let's get started on the case study. So let's review the website first. So this is their original website, and they're primarily doing drop shipping, and the industry is related to can see animal and pets. Now when I said that the attachment and the client eventually became friend of me and my team was because the client got their Google Ads restored from us, and then it was their second task, and now they are on our management. So this ensures that we got a very good working relationship with them. Again, thanks to my team who consistently worked hard to ensure that the project needs to get success. Yeah, it take time, bundle of work, but I will also show you the very satisfactory review of our client who was very patient and supportive in doing the changes. We had so many changes, so many work to do. So I'm going to start with you on this emotional case study. So I made a file over here on how we started out, and what is so this was their account when we got it, and the account was suspended for, you can see, policy violation, and you can see there are 46 items are being affected. And the second case study was this one. Okay, you can see over here that the account had products approved for like a week, and then the products were went to the disapproval state. Okay, as a random not a random but as a precaution, what we did was we disconnected the Google Ads account because we didn't do not wanted to get that affected as well. And this is their misrepresentation issue over there. When we took this issue, again, it took us a lot of time. So a patience is very important whenever working with Google Merchant Center cases. So this was a misrepresentation over here, and you can see over here this was an error, originally when the task came to us. Okay, so I'm going to show you this later on. So let's move on the data we have. Okay, you can see that okay, I'm going to organize it on work on how much data it took us. You can see over here constant support with the Google regarding this project through my team, and this was the first audit which was being done by my team. Okay, because the support actually disapproved it. So I'm going to even make it bigger so everyone can read it. So okay, we check the email, check the header. I mean, we have around 170 step checklist we haven't showed after restoring Google Ads disapproval cases, Google Merchant Center disapproval cases, the points of where the Google can suspend your account. So after these, we check the random checks and all, almost multiple checks. I will show you as well. We recommended adding a number on the foot header plus email, plus we also recommended adding testimonials on the landing page, and some error with the letterhead with the email. We also suggested adding more pages on the website, including return page, do not sell my information, disclaimer, and reviews page. Again, we compared with our approved pages as well to see where we can improve. A lot work was recorded in the footer, including we wanted a clickable information, like people can click on the phone number, people can click on the email, plus the address needs to be mentioned, social media links to be mentioned. Also, the social media pages we are adding should have active engagement with ample of post over there. Google doesn't want a new social media page over here. And then we verified the payment information during our whole checkout procedure. That we did a test checkout is very important with any gmc, and that ensures that it is working well. For instance, we added multiple products in our checkout, if it's working or not. We if, sometimes if it's like if you buy two you get a discount, we wanted to check this out as well. Then like pay for interest free installments for order over $50, we check that as well. There's the add to cart. We looked around for these payment methods, if we can see during the checkout procedure or not, like the American Express is included or not, the chat with us function is included or not, working or not. Pages comparison, like in case if you are mentioning something different on refund policy and something on payment policy, it's not matching. There are, like I told you, 170 checklists. We thoroughly, our staff thoroughly looked word to word over here, that if we have not copied from someone content, have this unique content, everything is written according to our project, according to our website. Every information was matched on every page. Disclaimer pages were mentioned, tagged. The phone number was, we randomly did calls to see if it's working well. We sent an email over here. I mean, we also cross check this with the gmc account details on the website, you know to ensure that everything works fine or not. This was also done to ensure that everything remains connected, remains working. We did a lot of things on the account and everything. After all this stuff, and all this thorough I've been audit over here, and like shipping policy pages, some misleading images were being found. We also thought that the images needs to be unique, also need to have a robots.txt. We found plagiarism issues as well. This was the first audit, and that it doesn't end over here. And I mean, there are so many things, so many things which needs to be worked out, like so many audits, so many works which we did. You can see I have checked your account, and the suspension is due to misrepresentation, and it is completely automatic in nature. We can pinpoint, but we can suggest you some reasons. I also did a stimulation on the website and noticed that you have added all the things. So our support guy was also approved, the Google support guy, not our. But we had a constant in touch. You can see over here that this was another query again. All of my staff was in this project. Like there were so many people working together. Every day some time was being spent on this project by everyone. Different staff members were in touch with the Google. Some was editing the website, someone doing finding the errors, someone looking on the competitors. And then you can see another audit. Okay, so here you can see, let me make it bigger, that another audit by another guy, who checked out a few of the things. Like, let me show you over here. No email subscription, no email received, social media engagement was left, different contact numbers found in the website and on Facebook. So we also cross-checked the contact details on the Facebook plus on the website to ensure everything remains contact. Also, no physical details were mentioned on Facebook. We also suggested that as well. And then you can see emails going on from our staff, and other audit was being done as well, where we suggested location map is not given on the contact us page, social media engagement was less, internet speed booster was added to improve the site speed. You can see over here the site speed was also an issue. Sometimes this can be an issue, but again, the minor issues can also be major issues if your account is suspended. And this was another Google rejection email, and the Google rejected it through a manual appeal. And we also did a request review, and the account went to the cooldown period as well. So this was another field as well. So you can see that this is not a one-day job over here. So many emails, so many data. This is a very extensive. You can see over here you may request a new review on 21st June. And again, what we did was we did a competitor analysis to see if we do a comparison with approved GMCs of this industry, to see in case if it has any issues. We recommended improving the pixels of the images. Like I told you before, like high quality images should be a reason. Reduce the size of the banner as it's covering page. Pixels should not be mismatched. Drop down menu should be added, and a search bar as well. Even if it's so a small thing not working, the Google GMC can be suspended. So we looked on the smaller to small aspect. You can see constant mails going on, constant audit being done, and one day, I what happened was I got angry with one of my staff, like, it's been so many days, and the client is now getting impatient. Why we are not able to get it sorted? So what I did was I did the audit myself. Okay, I did the audit myself, and I pinpoint something like phone should be clickable, address needs to be the same line, email should be clickable, and there was an error on the contact form. Like whenever someone is writing, the number, everything is not working over here. Even the subject name, I'm writing hi, but it's not working. So this was an error in the form, but the story doesn't end here, and there were concentrated because the team got alerted again. Some disclaimer page, some extra space was over there, some more information, more changes. I mean, you can see that this requires a lot of patience and a lot of work over by everyone. And then you can see that this is a review which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you first of all a final, the email from the Google, and I'm going to show you in front of you so you guys can see that it's not something. Okay, you can see over here this is the email, and you can see that, dear Google merchant center account, the request review has been completed and the issue no longer appears in your account. So yeah, this was a glad moment, but the glad moment, doesn't end here. And the glad moment is the ultimate review which we got from the client, and that which I usually do not show the reviews in my videos, but this is going to be the first time I'm going to show you the amazing review. And the amazing review, I'm going to show you over here. Okay, so you can see the review over here. As a newcomer to the world of GMC and Google Ads, I embarked on creating my own Shopify store and got it approved by GMC. Initially, the automated review process passed, and I was thrilled. Hence, a few days later, a manual review by Google led to GMC being suspended further. Fortunately, I discovered Ali Raza through his YouTube channel, which focuses on Google Ad restoration management and resolving GMC suspension. As a Google partner, Ali has a unique expertise. Thank you. I mean, I really appreciate your words. And a dedicated support representative at Google, ensuring constant communication, effective problem solving, something ordinary users really experience. Ali took on my case, conducting around 10 audits to remove all defects and implement necessary improvement. His team was in continuous contact with the Google. Thank you. Again, it's a teamwork, not a single person work. So identify and resolve issues. They also performed a complete SEO overhaul of my store, which was crucial. And we added a lot of on-page SEOs, including site speeds, solving out robots.txe's meta issues, and any issues in the coding error. We removed the placeholders during the audit of the website. We also looked on each plugin for any issue it is causing. We also thoroughly looked the Google search console to sort out any issues. And we also had a WhatsApp group where we constantly communicate with the client, and everything was being discussed and shared over there for a complete backup with you guys. Like, I'm showing all the data over here combined. It's due to we have created a file and everything was over there. So again, for any Google Ads or GMC related issues, Ali Raza is a go-to expert. He delivers results where others only offer promises. So yeah, I'm very grateful to you, and gladful and grateful to you for your amazing review, and thank you for being supportive and patient. I look forward working with you. So guys, I hope you like this amazing case study. But in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And guys, if you need a Google Merchant Center audit, setup, management, if your Google Merchant Center is suspended, if your Google Ads is suspended, if your Google Ads are disapproved, if you need a Google Ads management service in case, or if you need a SEO management services, me and my team can help you. You can hire us to the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to create an awesome, amazing digital marketing campaign for you. So guys, I look forward working with you, and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye. For those asking, the live audit of the account, this is a live, that we provided them an alternative account from our agency which helped them, and you can see that the products are finally approved. And you can see that this review, this customer ID exactly matches with our customer ID over here as well. So you guys can see an idea that it's now working, and it's correlated with that as well. So yeah.